What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be flying the phaser drone. So yeah, let's just open this up. And yeah, so got the drone right here. So without further ado, let's head outside. Alright boys, so we got the drone. So yeah, let's just head outside. Alright guys, ready for takeoff? Oh, it's so windy. Oh my gosh. Turning up the rates so I can fly faster. It's very glitchy. Let me just land it real quick. I gotta start the video on the drone itself. Oh, it crashed. We should do a range test. Not like up high, because that will definitely lose it, but we definitely could we definitely could like just fly to the back field. Like there's a field like back there. Oh shoot. Oh no. So I'll just show you guys. So basically, come over here. And if you come back here, it's very windy. Oh my gosh. Come over here. Oh! Come over here. See that field back there? So we could go all the way back there. I'm gonna fly just looking at the drone because the camera is kind of glitchy. So here we go. We're all the way down there. Shoot. Oh no, we're spinning. Okay, we're coming back, I think. Oh, we just hit a tree. We just hit a branch and we just crashed. So it crashed back here. Shoot, where did it go? It hit this branch right here. It might have fallen back here. Do y'all see it? This fence is about to fall down. Oh, it's right here. I walked right past it. So yeah, that was a little range test slash durability test. I mean, it's a drone. What do you expect? It's not really gonna break because it's so light. I mean, it's only gonna break if you like intentionally, accidentally, or somehow, it's possible. Broken a lot of drones. Because whenever you have a drone, you gotta set it somewhere flat. Because it has a GPS almost. Alright, so switch over to the camera. 3, 2, oh wait, gyro's off. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Almost fell down. Okay. Now we are ready to fly. I'm just gonna hand launch it. Even though it's really windy. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 2, 1. No! Come back! Come back! Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, do not go in the neighbor's yard. Even though we are in the neighbor's yard. Okay. Wait, why is it flying like that? Hey. Oh my gosh, this is sketchy. No. No. Come back. Shoot. It just crashed in the neighbor's yard. The drone went all the way over there. And this is the only thing that I don't really like about drones is that whenever you crash, oh shoot, don't fall. Whenever you crash, it basically goes like super far away. So then you have to run over, go into other people's property, and then they get mad. Alright guys, I have recovered the drone. I had to go in people's backyard and it was really scary. So, not gonna be flying there. So, I was looking at the footage and I think none of the footage saved. So, that's unfortunate. So we're gonna have to fly very low to the ground. we're flying, boys. There I am. So, my phone keeps disconnecting from the drone, which is really annoying. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna land it real quick. So what you're saying is exactly what I'm saying. This is when I lost the drone. So this is when the drone got stuck in a tree, guys, a very long time ago. Not that one, thankfully. But we were flying, and then it's really hard to tell, but basically it lost connection and then it got stuck in a tree. So that was crazy.
I always mow it and I just blow the grass through our house.
And this is when it got stuck back there, guys, on the thing.
Okay, well.
Now let's fly. Hopefully it's gonna record. I'm gonna stay kinda low. I don't wanna lose connection. So this is like about the range. See, now it's glitching and the wind is pushing it. So we're gonna come back. We're gonna zip right past me. We're gonna go up. There's my mom. And we're just gonna do a spin. Oh. So I might strap an FPV camera to this. It's basically the world's fastest responsive camera. They use it on the racing drones, and strap one of those on this little thing, and I think this thing would be actually really good. It's more of an inside drone. Let's go back here a little bit, and nope. Listen, it's kind of hard. Oops. There's my mom. Oh no, don't crash into the car. There's my dog. Come on, come back. No, what are you doing? Why is it doing this? Dang, bro. Okay, now let's do some not durability tests, but signal test. Oh, it's very glitchy. See, so it's really hard to tell where I'm going. Oh my gosh, and we landed. Alright, so start the video. So now we're in my house. So the video is pretty glitchy. Oh no. Yeah, the battery's done. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you like this little drone. I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.